Wow, that was your best lap ever. Careful, still there. You got room, you're clear. Keep it up now. That was your best lap ever.